guys, my name's Tash. I currently work in IT as a DevOps engineer. I would use that term quite loosely though, because I have no idea what I'm doing majority of the time. Some people don't really showcase how difficult that is and the errors that they face, and all of a sudden they're like, oh, I just want to implement this, and then 2 seconds later there it is, and I'm like, that looks really difficult, why didn't you show more? So I just kind of wanted to showcase how little I know and hopefully inspire others to be like, if you don't know a lot, that's fine. Hopefully by building stuff, it'll get us there. So while I'm done rambling, I'm going to try and build something very simple, and I'm not going to get too big for my boots. Come up with something super simple, see if I can expand on it, and go further from there. It's tough all the time. All right, let's go. Alright, so I'm home. I just got back from the cafe and my battery for my phone was running low, so I thought I'd better trot back. I was looking at Chat GPT and looking at the APIs and trying to understand if I could potentially just hit some of their endpoints and basically just feed an image of like a recipe that I take a photo of, because that's what I often do. I just take photos of recipes and then just try and go and shop based on those recipes. But rather that, feed all the images, it creates a shopping list, and then later down the track, I want to try and implement it so that it can see where the cheapest products are. So it'll be like, hey, if you go to Woolies, which is a grocery store here in Australia, you'll get 20% off this, but that's further down the track. I think the basic thing was just trying to figure out, make it an app, upload an image, it spits out a shopping list, and nothing too fancy. So I'm just gonna set up a repo and then try and get the basic stuff done. Now, you see what gets me? This kind of stuff, like setting up a project, I just feel like why is it hard? Like, if I want to use Vite and React, like, I get the whole template thing, like here, and I've heard of Vue, but then am I going to be disadvantaged if I use this? Or like, why can't I just use this? This kind of stuff, just, whatever. Give it a whirl, see what happens. Yes. One of my learnings today I wanted to document was this React.fc. So I wanted to pop this bottom nav bar and wrap it around the whole app so that it would appear everywhere and it wouldn't have to re-render. And then the things that would render in it were the children. So basically it meant that this functional component would expect props of type children. That is a React node, which means like any element that can be rendered in React can be passed through here. So cool little learning.